Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the missing new folder option from right-click context menu in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is you need to press Windows and R key together to open the small window called Run. Here in the small window, please type regedit. Okay, the moment you've typed that, click on OK to proceed. And your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be able to open the registry editor. Here you need to go with the first folder, which is hkey underscore clauses underscore root. Click this forward arrow, and this time you need to scroll down and look for folder. So just be keen on finding such since there are a lot of the folder here listed. Okay, so I can see it here. Just have to go with it. And there you can see the very first value, which is default. Just have to double tap that and this edit string window will appear. Make sure that the value data is folder. So if you, in your case, know the no data is being set, just have to type folder and then click on OK. So once you're done with the folder, just have to scroll up. And this time you need to look for a file folder named directory. So I can see it here. So select it, okay, and then go with the default once again. And here in this window, you need to type file folder to change the value data to file folder and then click on OK. So once you're done, just have to click this forward arrow, then proceed to background, okay. Click this forward arrow and there you can see two folders which are shell and shellx. Proceed to shellx, then click this forward arrow and there you can see context menu handlers. Click this forward arrow and there you can see new. Okay, so here in the new, if you in your case you don't see any, just have to create such. Okay, so go with new and then go with key and then rename the key into new, and there you would be able to make such. Okay, so here you need to proceed on default and just have to double tap and make sure that the value data is being set by this. Don't worry, just have to take a screenshot of this, okay, and type this in the value data. It is a pretty long value data, but it will surely fix your problem. Just have to put a lot of patience, okay? So just have to take a screenshot of this, or you can simply post a video to copy such. Then click on OK. Then close all of this file folders. Okay. And then close this registry editor as well. And then you need to restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, you are able to apply all of the action that you have performed earlier. And the moment you have opened it again, just have to do a right click here and check if the new is now there, new folder is now there, and as well as the show more options, the new is now there in the folder as well. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.